Pada 1 November 2022, Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia kembali merilis laporan baru tentang operasi militer khusus di Ukraina. Serangan besar-besaran yang diluncurkan militer Rusia dengan persenjataan berbasis udara dan laut jarak jauh berpresisi tinggi pada tanggal 31 Oktober di Fasilitas Kontrol, Komunikasi dan Sistem Energi Ukraina. Serangan tersebut telah mengakibatkan gangguan yang cukup besar dalam membimbing kelompok-kelompok Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina dan dukungan logistik mereka. Pengiriman pasukan cadangan dan sarana material kereta api karya operasi telah sangat terganggu. Kerjaan produksi di fasilitas industri militer Ukraina juga terganggu. Di area Kupian, sebuah kelompok taktis batalion musuh yang diperkuat oleh tentara bayaran asing gagal melancarkan serangan ke Nikolaevka. Musuh telah kehilangan lebih dari 150 personel dan tentara bayaran Ukraina, 3 tank, 4 kendaraan tempur lapis baja, dan 6 pick-up.
Attempts to commence an attack towards Chervona Popovka and Makeivka in Lugansk People's Republic. Over 30 Ukrainian personnel, 4 infantry fighting vehicles, and 3 pickups have been eliminated. In Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, intensive action of Russian forces have resulted in preventing Ukrainian units' attempts to launch an offensive towards Milovoye, Sukhanovo, Ruskinskoye, Kostromka, and Zelony Gai in Kherson region. The enemy has been driven back to initial lines. Over 110 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 8 armored fighting vehicles, and 8 pickups have been eliminated. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 8 Ukrainian command posts near Nikolaev, Berezhnigavatoye in Nikolaev region, Andreevka in Kherson region, Vodinoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Kupiansk, Stepovaya Novosolovka, Ivanovka, and Golubovka in Kharkov region, as well as 63 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 154 areas. 3 ammunition depots have been destroyed near Kolodezi, Nevskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, and Novaya Kamenka in Kherson region. 2 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-50 electronic warfare radars have been destroyed near Belogorovka in Lugansk People's Republic and Solidar in Donetsk People's Republic. Fighter aircraft has shot down one Su-24 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force near Apostolovo in Dnepropetrovsk region. Air defense facilities have destroyed 9 unmanned aerial vehicles near Yevgenovka, Krasny Liman in Donetsk People's Republic, Voivodovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Energodar in Zaporozhye region, Vasilyevka, Kalininskaya, Doslidnoye, and Chervonoye Podolye in Kherson region. Moreover, 1.U ballistic missile has been shot down near Antonovka in Kherson region, and 6 projectiles launched by Olha multiple launch rocket system near Donetsk. In total, 329 airplanes and 167 helicopters, 2,402 unmanned aerial vehicles, 384 air defense missile systems, 6,233 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 881 fighting vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,544 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,937 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. Kiev regime continues its provocations aimed at creating a possible technological disaster at the Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. Over the past 24 hours, Ukrainian artillery has launched over 20 projectiles at the northwestern suburbs of Energodar and the territory adjacent to the nuclear power plant. The attacks were launched from Ukrainian-controlled Marganets in Dnepropetrovsk region. The hostile firepower has been neutralized by Russian artillery's counterattack. The radiation environment near the nuclear power plant remains normal.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.